All right, let's move to the fight for the reins of the Northwest Province. The North Gauteng High Court has now ordered the ANC to reinstate Supra Mahumapelo as the Northwest Provincial chairperson with immediate effect. Mahumapelo lodged an urgent bid in court today to have a previous judgment implemented immediately. The South Gauteng High Court last week ruled that the Provincial Executive Committee, which he leads, of course, be reinstated. Today, the North Gauteng High Court concurred and ordered the ANC to reinstate that committee. The ANC's appeal, meanwhile, is yet to be heard.
On Sunday, the disbanded Northwest PEC met the ANC to find common ground. The ANC's NEC disbanded the provincial executive after violent protests by Northwest residents. The term of office of Mahumapelo's PEC was supposed to expire today, the 13th of February. But the NEC has given all PECs a grace period to operate until after the national elections. The judge has now given Mahumapelo's PEC a new lease of life.
The decision of the NEC of 20 September 2018 to appoint a provincial task team is declared unlawful and set aside. The provincial task team is interdicted from carrying out any of the functions conferred on it by the NEC and the ANC Constitution. 4. The disbanded PEC is reinstated within 2 court days of this order. 5. The first respondent is ordered to pay the cost of the application, including the costs of 2 counsel.
Meanwhile, the alliance partners in the Northwest say the decision has created confusion.
The African National Congress NEC must rise above these things and provide leadership, because what this thing has created is confusion.
These are the people who are supporting the mayors and municipalities who have invested money in VPS. These are the people who the ANC can never decide anything for as long it's hated by them.
Central to that, the office of the Secretary General, we pointing finger at that office could have dealt with political issues back then before issues of the court.
The showdown is now inevitable in the Northwest between the PEC led by Mahumapelo and the provincial task team led by Premier Job Mokgoro just a few months before the polls. A special NEC has been convened this weekend where this issue will likely top the agenda.